Hey, so this is gonna be a really practical, straight to the point guide on how you can actually be consistent at doing positive things like exercising, studying, practicing your art, meditating, literally anything. Because you know what? People keep on telling us to be consistent this, consistent that, but they never actually tell us on how to what is the step by step on how to actually be consistent at doing something and not just give us some motivational story that's going to make us feel motivated for like 5 minutes, but then we don't know what to do after it, right? So that's why this is March 4th, 2025, and this is gonna be day 239 of consistently helping people build consistency. So I'll argue that one of the best way on being consistent at doing positive things is to basically just lock in. Okay? Well, maybe you've heard this thing like lock in, lock in. And I'm not just okay. I'm gonna be elaborating. Yeah, I'm gonna be explaining about what does locking in means and how to actually lock in. But I'm not only referring to locking in. Okay, I believe that this process of this process of locking in is going to be even way more effective when we just do it with our friends. Okay, we just do it together with our friends, right? Those friends that we know they also wanted to improve their lives, they also are into self improvement. You know, the bros, or maybe like the sisters. Yeah, you got what I mean, right? Like your good friends that care about you and care about their life. Because when we talk about locking in, people kind of refer it to a process where you just isolate yourself and just do your stuff alone. Well, you know what? I don't know about you, right? But why don't you try to locking in with your friends together, okay? And I'm not saying that, oh yeah, you should go to move to another city with your friends and rent some, I don't know, rent some house and just live together and lock in, basically just work 8 hours per day. Well, I don't know about you, but I think that's pretty unrealistic for most people. Yeah, it's going to be pretty unrealistic for most people. So the thing that I'm referring here as locking in, maybe it's more of a moderate and flexible locking in. Okay, so I'm gonna be explaining the mechanism. You don't really need to move to another city with your friends. You can basically still stay in your current house and still locking in with your friends. I'm gonna be explaining how. So yeah, again, basically you can do this process of locking in and still stay in your house. You don't need to move anywhere with your friends. Yeah, this is going to be a more flexible way to lock in. Okay, so the thing that you're going to be doing here, the thing that you and your friends are going to be doing here, is to create a group chat and then basically create rules. Okay, create rules. And basically this sole purpose of this group chat is to track and keep the accountability of each other's consistency. Okay, so basically that's the sole purpose of this group chat. Okay, and we need to communicate this this group chat purpose to our friends really clearly. Okay, what is the urgency to create this group chat, why we want to create this group chat? We need to explain that, oh yeah, why don't we like lock in together, why don't we improve together consistently, since we know that, oh yeah, I care about your life, you care about my life, we want to improve together. Why don't we actually improve together in a more systematically way, right? In a more systematic way. So once you guys created this group chat, the thing that you guys wanted to be doing here is to create the rules. Okay, create the rules. So the first rule is to define what are the things that you wanted to be consistent at. Okay, so maybe exercising, studying, meditating, right? And not only that, you guys need to decide what are the things that you guys wanted to be consistent at. You guys need to also make a really clear definition, right? A really clear definition of what is considered to be exercising, what is considered to be studying, what is considered to be meditating, right? Because when we do not have a clear definition like this, when we just say like, oh yeah, let's exercise consistently, maybe like your friends are going to be doing, I don't know, 10 seconds of stretching and consider it as exercising, okay? Or maybe like just read one sentence in a book and then like consider it as, oh yeah, I've done my studying today, and then like say, yeah guys, I've done my thing. Well, I'm not saying that 10 seconds of stretching is a bad thing, but you know what? If it's something that's extremely way too easy, you're not going to feel any progress and feel any kind of, sense of achievement. So the thing that we wanted to be doing here is to have a really clear definition of what is considered to be exercising. For example, we agreed that exercising means, oh yeah, do at least 5 minutes of running every single day. Maybe take some rest days on weekends, okay? Maybe take some days on weekends, and also on the days when you are sick, it's okay to take some days off. Even please, on the days on when you are sick, please just take a days off, because it could be dangerous, right? If you still push yourself way too hard. So basically, making a definition is basically just making the thing extremely specific and measurable. Okay, it's specific, it's running. Okay, it's a specific type of exercise, and also it's measurable. 5 minutes of running. This way, we can actually have a really clear sense, a really clear notion of what is considered as exercising. Right? Oh yeah, exercising means 5 minutes of running, and I can surely know when have I actually managed to fulfill my daily personal goal, the daily collective goal to do 5 minutes of running. Okay. Oh, and yeah, also, you guys don't necessarily have to do the thing together. Okay, you don't necessarily have to go to do the running together. You guys can just do it separately. But the most important thing here is that you guys actually do the thing. Okay, so basically, why it's gonna be important to define the exercise, define the studying, because it's gonna give us some sense of confidence, right? Oh yeah, I said that I'm gonna be doing 5 minutes of running. I said, I actually did the 5 minutes of running. I did the thing that I said that I'm gonna be doing. Okay, I'm basically fulfilling my own personal goal, and my friends also do the same. Okay, so why it's going to be giving us some sense of confidence is that because one, we actually tell ourselves, we actually prove to ourselves that it's something that's realistic to actually do the 5 minutes of running. But not only that it's realistic, two, we also prove to ourselves that we are having the willpower, right, to actually execute it. We have the discipline, right, to actually execute it. Because even though it's realistic, we still have the chance to just like be lazy and not do the thing, but we still do the thing anyway. So basically, it's proving to ourselves that we actually care about our life. Okay. Oh yeah, and also again, you can just do this exercising thing, this studying thing separately, and you guys don't have to basically do it together in the same place and at the same time. Well, it could be great, so if you guys could do that together, but yeah, people got different schedules, right? So let's just be realistic. I mean, like, if you guys can do it together, well then good. But if you guys need to do it separately in your houses, in your own place, in your own time, with your own schedule, that's still going to be okay. As long as you guys report to your friends, right? Make sure that your friends know that you're actually still doing your thing, okay? So basically, the thing that's going to happen here is that the second rule is that every single member of the group needs to report to the group every single time they manage to finish their thing. Okay. Oh yeah, I've done my exercise, report it to the group. I've done my studying, report it to the group. So basically, we're making sure to each other that we are still sticking to the thing. Okay, we are still sticking to the thing. So that's how you basically be consistent at doing positive things with your friends. And also, like, you maybe can also like add some punishment and rewards if somebody broke the rule, you can give them some punishment. Maybe like, oh yeah, like the punishment is that somebody who broke the rule, they cannot, they are not allowed to play video games for a whole day. Or maybe like for the rewards, okay, for the best performing ones, they are able to change the group profile picture, okay? Change the group profile picture and stuff and stuff. And also, if you wanted to have, maybe like you guys have some trust issues or anything, you guys can have extra evidence by not only telling your friends that you guys have actually done the thing, but also like giving extra evidence by maybe taking a video or maybe taking a photo, a picture of you guys doing the particular thing. Okay, maybe like I don't know, maybe like when you're running, just you know, after you've done your running, you just take a picture of you finishing the running, something like that. Because I think don't record it when you're running because it's gonna be pretty dangerous. Just do it. I think just it's just gonna be better if you guys just send a picture saying done. Look, I've wear my sport shoes. I've run for 5 minutes. I've actually done it. Okay, this is the evidence, something like that. Okay, so yeah, basically, thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye. And yeah, for the date authenticity post, today's March 4th, 2025, and Mimzar posted a house shoes post last 24 hours.